everyone, and welcome to the meditation channel. When you are ready, close your eyes and get yourself in a comfortable position. I invite you today to release any expectation, any judgment. There is no right or wrong way to meditate. Simply enjoy the process. Trust that you are being guided, you are being healed. Your subconscious mind knows exactly what to do. And so all you have to do is follow your breath in and out. Deep breath in and out. With each breath, surrendering just a little more. Allowing yourself to feel a little lighter, a little more present. Deep breath in and out. And so today I invite you to set an intention for this meditation, a desire, planting a seed of manifestation if you wish. I invite you maybe to place your hand above your heart and ask your heart, what do you need? What do you desire? How can we move forward? How can we heal? Whatever it is that resonates with you, trust yourself. And once again, deep breath in and out. We now call forth your spiritual team to assist us in this meditation, to guide you, to help you, and to heal you. And so I want you now to visualize a beautiful circle of ruby red forming around you. Gentle yet powerful energy. And above that circle, now a beautiful orange circle forms. And above that, a beautiful yellow circle of energy forms around you. And above that, a beautiful green circle. And above that, a beautiful blue circle. And above that, a beautiful indigo circle. Above that, a beautiful, powerful purple circle. And finally, above that, a beautiful, white, glowing celestial circle. These energies are creating an intense field of frequency that is high, that is healing, balancing. These energies are allowing you to tune in and plug in with your spiritual team, allowing you to receive the energies, the frequencies, and the sacred codes. Take a moment now to really sit in this, to really feel the vibrations, the energies, and the healing. And as you sit in these energies, I invite you now to ask your spiritual team a question, something that you may need guidance with or an answer to. Deep breath in and out. Trust what you see, trust what you hear, feel. You know what to do. And now we invite your spiritual team to send you anything else that you may need to receive at this time that will help you, that will guide you. Deep breath in and out. And now suddenly all of those circles of energy that are around you begin to activate, begin to glow. Just a little brighter. And their frequency begin to heighten. Feeling the high vibrations activate each chakra in your system, allowing you now to realign and heal. These frequencies are beginning to move through and around you, in your energy field, in your body, reprogramming your subconscious. Even though it is powerful, it is also peaceful, calming. And slowly, slowly beginning to float, feeling the peace, the quiet and the relaxation, freeing your system from all that darkness, negativity and heaviness. Allowing yourself to be free, to be present, to be connected to your truth. Gently and slowly surrendering all limitations and reawakening your full potential. And now we will introduce some affirmations to complete this meditation. I am a magnet for success. I am worthy. Good things come into my life each and every day, and I accept them. I am deeply loved. I am lucky. I am open and receptive to wealth, to health, and abundance. I am divinely guided, divinely protected. Everything always works out for me. Rejection is protection, and I know that something better and greater is in alignment for me. All is well. I am well. I am open and receptive to love and to blessings. And once again, deep breath in and let it all go. We are now gently and slowly going to come back and return back to our bodies, back to the present moment. Gently and slowly expanding your awareness outward with gratitude. Beginning to feel your body, maybe wiggling your toes and your fingers. Gently and slowly returning back. Take your time, there's no rush. And when it feels right, open your eyes.